Hey everybody. I thought I would just read a little bit of this foundation manual and give you a taste of what it's all about. So, opening comments by Gary Douglas. What would it be like if the world were a more conscious place? Would the devastation, wars, and difficulties that are going on now continue to exist? Hi, Cindy. In the face of consciousness, these things cannot exist. You know, these glasses are blue light glasses, and it's not helping me read, so I'm going to take them off because it's actually hindering it. The target of access is to get us to the point where we are conscious enough to create change in ourselves so that we can increase the possibility of changing the trauma, drama, and insanities that are present in life. And think about all of that's going on right now with this election that's in process. There's so many opinions and so many people creating a divide and creating more polarity rather than more of working together and coming together for the good of everybody. What would it be like if you embodied so much consciousness in everything that you did that others chose to become more conscious as a result of you? What if you were the inspiration for greater possibility? So I should back up a little bit and give the definition of consciousness that Gary talks about. It's the awareness of everything without judgment, and it includes everything without judgment. So it includes the trauma, the drama, and it doesn't judge it because the judgment creates more of the same. So being more conscious is being aware that there are other choices, but not having to defend being right or wrong. It's just the willingness to choose and the willingness to go beyond the polarity, beyond the right and wrong, to choose something that actually creates lightness and joy and peace, things that are beyond the fight in this reality. You are the source for creating the change you desire, but you have to be willing to be it. Consciousness is the possibility to eliminate all the created walls of separation. What would it take for this to become a reality here on planet Earth? All it takes is for you to choose you. So, what will you choose? Are you willing to go on the journey to question what else is possible beyond what's normal in this reality? Because doesn't it just feel like it's not enough? You know, getting up, going to work, coming home, watching television, going to sleep, and doing it all over again. Like, is that enough? What else is there? What can we choose? What can we create beyond anything that is normal, beyond maybe what you've considered? But it's possible if you're curious and if you choose beyond. You can just ask, what else is possible? What else can I create? What is it that I've always known should be possible, but I haven't chosen yet? And so diving into these tools of the Access Foundation gives you access to everything that you're capable of, not just the normal everyday stuff, but like the magical capacities that allow you to create with so much ease and change everything that has stuck you and made you feel limited. And Cindy says, when did we stop questioning? Yeah, probably when you were 2. Because you're like, why? Why? And your parents are like, stop asking so many questions. You know, we're taught to look for the answer instead of ask questions, and questions open up the possibilities. So a question is really this magical tool that opens doors. So what is possible that you don't think is possible, that if you allow the possibilities, will actualize something completely different? That's my question, and this is what I wanted to share. And I have a foundation coming up next week. I think it's November, I don't remember, but I'll put dates somewhere and I'll share this, and I hope you'll consider diving in, going on the magical journey to accessing more of you. Thanks for watching. Mwah.